Hello. Now we will see inside the section of settings. That is the first time you get in the website. You will see this, or you can also go directly clicking here settings. We will go to download and install Word to Cloud desktop stuff. We click on the tool, right, and we go here download Word to Cloud desktop. Okay. Here we have like 6 cards, and each card it's like you have a tutorial for each card which tells you how to install the program for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, for Android, and we have 2 ways of installing Windows, like through the store or outside of the store. I mean the Windows store, okay? Each one has its pros and cons, so we give you both. Normally we recommend one of them, which is more stable, but you have both of them, okay? And the dependencies Windows, it's for some Windows that are old and need the Visual C++, okay? Some of them don't have it installed previously. So if you start the program and you click play and the time is not moving, right? You click play and the counter is not moving, then that is a strong indicator that you need to install the dependencies, okay? Right, and since each section has its own video, if you want to go for the video of each section, click here and you will see installation of each one of them, okay? See you, bye-bye.